Negation in Spanish changes the meaning of a phrase to show an absence, contradiction, or denial. Negation nullifies words and sentences and shows they're false by adding a negative. In Spanish, negation is systematic and simple, using the word no, which is equivalent to the English not. The basic rule is that no always goes directly before conjugated verbs, which applies to all tenses, all moods, and regular and irregular verbs, like in the following phrases. No hablo español. Ella no está cansada. No somos amigos. When it comes to negative words in Spanish, the language has specific words that can be used multiple times, like nada, nadie, nunca, jamás, ninguno, ninguna, ni, tampoco. Some examples are: no veo nada. No conozco a nadie. Nunca estudio los domingos. Unlike English, Spanish allows and often requires double negatives. If in English we say, I see nothing, Spanish will use a double negative. No veo nada, literally meaning to not see nothing. It's also true for the sentence, no conozco a nadie. I don't know nobody, which is correct in Spanish. As a note, if the negative word comes after the verb, we keep no. However, if a negative word appears before the verb, no is removed, like nadie viene. Nunca estudio por la noche. At the same time, it's possible to make negations with the word ni, meaning nor or not even, and this word connects negative ideas. No tengo café ni té. No estudia ni trabaja. Even so, we can negate sentences with the word tampoco, meaning neither or not either. This word is useful after contradicting an affirmative phrase, like me gusta el fútbol. A mí no. A mí tampoco. In essence, Spanish has common negative patterns, which are good combinations to know when speaking the language, like no, nunca, never. No, nada, nothing. No, nadie, nobody. No, tampoco, not either. No digo nada. I say nothing. No veo a nadie. I see nobody. No estudio nunca. I never study. The key rule is that no goes before the verb, and if a negative word comes first, no is omitted. So, this is how negation fully works in Spanish.